Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Shweta. Today we are going to talk about IELTS Writing Task 2 for academic students. In this video, we'll be discussing about general information and few tips about how to write an essay or what should you include in your writing task 2. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. See, academic writing task 2 is a formal essay. The common types of essays are discussions, comparisons, opinions, advantages and disadvantages, questions and answers, etc. Okay, so basically you will be given a certain topic on which you have to write an formal essay. Okay, got my point? Now next is, it is recommended that you must not spend more than 40 minutes on your writing task 2. Writing task 1 and writing task 2 are your overall writing tasks. Okay. So, recommendation is don't spend more than 40 minutes on your writing task 2. Writing task 2 is worth of about 60% from the writing task. Okay. So, writing task 1 is of 40% and writing task 2 is of 60%. So, likewise prepare your content. Next is, you must make sure that you have included over 250 words in your essay, or in the other words, you have written more than 250 words in your essay. Why is it that? Every word is counted, even small and repeated words are also taken into account. Okay, got my point? So, these were the general information about writing an essay. See, there are so many information or so many points that I can explain, but in this video we have limit of time, so we are discussing it briefly or only important points we are discussing. Now, next we'll jump on to the few tips of writing the essay or writing an essay. So, first is, all essay must have an introduction and a conclusion part. Okay. All essay must have an introduction and a conclusion part. So, at least 2 paragraphs must be written in your essay. Okay? 2 paragraphs must be included. See, paragraphs are marked by the examiners. Okay? So, criteria of coherence and cohesion is taken into account. Why? Because it comprises of about 25% from overall marking. Okay? So, now what is coherence and cohesion? Coherence is the logical explanation of the topic. Whichever or whatever topic is given to you, you have to give a logical explanation of that topic, which is coherence. Now, cohesion is linking or relating to the topic. Once you have prepared your paragraph, your content must be or your ideas must be relating to each other. Okay, don't write unnecessary or unimportant points. Okay, irrelevant points, what we can say is irrelevant points must not be included. Got my point? Because why? It comprises cohesion comprises of 25% of your marking. Okay, now either 2 or 3 paragraphs. Okay, either 2 or 3 paragraphs are enough to develop your idea and to show your skills of paragraphing. Okay. So, see, if you know about that topic, don't keep on writing more paragraphs in your essay, okay? Or it's like 6 or 7 paragraphs are read. No. It must be up to the point and relevant. So, 2 or 3 paragraphs are more than enough, right? Now, next is, see, you are also being marked on the ability, range, accuracy and flexibility of linking words, okay? It also comprises another 25% of marking. See, what I am trying to say is, use wide variety of vocabularies as it comprises of 25% of marking. Okay. Now next is, your idea. Have you come up with your idea about the topic and the way you present your idea, okay, is also being marked by the examiner. Okay. So, which comes to the next 25% of the marking. Okay. What I suggest is, before you start writing, spare a few minutes of thinking, or what are you going to write, or what is the topic, what points comes to your mind first, what are the important ones. Think about all this stuff and then write your content, or then start writing your essay. Okay, so it will be well organized. Okay, next or last is grammar. All these points are important, including grammar, which is very important. Okay, so your essay must be grammatically correct in manner. Okay, how you use your vocabs, how you construct your sentences, how are you going to play or write your tenses. All these things are important, because the rest or the last 25% includes grammar. Okay, so what we discussed in this video is general information, tips, distribution of marks, etc. So I hope you like this video. See, there are far more other points which I can explain to you, but I have explained you brief points. Okay, these points must be kept into the mind. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and that's it from my side. Thank you.